हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं निधि शर्मा ग्लोबल गुरु इमिग्रेशन सर्विसेज से आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ न्यू वीडियो विच इज़ अबाउट यूएसए स्टूडेंट वीज़ा interview tips and techniques. So before going ahead, kindly subscribe our channel for new updates and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Today I am with my one of the team members whose name is Deepika, who prepares the student for interview preparation. So today we are going to share one experience of student named Amandeep Singh who has recently got his visa. So Deepika, as we know, Amandeep Singh has recently got his visa.
Yes.
So today we will let the students know about his visa interview experience, like how he has present himself in front of the visa officer and what answers helped him to get the visa.
Okay.
So just let us know what kind of questions being asked by the visa officer to the Amandeep.
Yes, definitely. I would like to share my his experience here. The first thing that was asked from Amandeep was like, why this course?
Okay. So first question was why this course. जब अमनदीप एम्बेसी गया तो अमनदीप से सबसे पहले वीज़ा ऑफिसर ने जो आंसर क्वेश्चन पूछा वो था कि why he has chosen this course. तो उसका आंसर एक आप बता सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को कि उसने कौन सा आंसर दिया जो वीज़ा ऑफिसर को इम्प्रेस कर पाया कि हाँ ये जो आंसर है वो सूटेबल है, जस्टिफाई कर रहा है कि उसने ये कोर्स क्यों चुना.
Yes, definitely. I would like to share his experience with the students when he was asked like why he has selected that particular course. So firstly, I would like to tell you that he had applied for Masters in Computer Science, but his previous education was not at all relevant to the course that he was going to do in USA. However, he had a work experience in the same field. So he correlated his previous work experience with the proposed course that he was going to do in USA.
Okay, as जैसे कि मेरी उससे बात हुई थी जब उसका वीज़ा आया तो I have taken his mock interview that what kind of answers he has given to the visa officer. उसमें एक उसका क्वेश्चन था कि when visa officer asked him about the previous education and past education, तो उसने उसको correlate कैसे किया कि visa officer को लगा yes he has a genuine intention to have genuine studies in USA.
इसके लिए he had the visa officer specifically asked him about his job responsibilities. Like he had already worked as a web designer, sort of this kind of job he had already done. Okay. So he specifically asked about the programming languages that he was using during his job, and as it was a genuine experience, he had already got that experience in the same field related to computer industry. So he mentioned the programming languages like C, C++, and he also expressed his keen interest in the same industry in which he was going to take his education.
So here you are trying to say कि if student has genuine work experience and he has mentioned in DS 160 genuinely he has done that work. So you are trying to say that if a student has genuine work experience and he has mentioned in his DS 160 about his genuine experience and he knows how to explain that experience in front of the visa officer, then definitely he can get the visa. Here you need to remind yourself, अगर आपने कहीं से अपना experience बनवाया है या बच्चे कहते हैं कि मैंने just I want to kill the time कि मैंने इस gap को fill ही करना है, तो उस केस में आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस वीज़ा ऑफिसर के सामने अच्छी तरह से जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाओगे. अगर आपने वीज़ा ऑफिसर के सामने अपना एक्सपीरियंस अच्छी तरह से जस्टिफाई नहीं किया तो आई एम सॉरी टू से यू विल नॉट गेट द वीज़ा. सो इफ़ यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस सो यू शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर नॉलेज अबाउट योर जॉब ड्यूटीज, व्हाट वर योर जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग ड्यूरिंग योर वर्किंग आवर्स एट योर जॉब. So Deepika, next question was why this university? So what answer he has given to the visa officer?
Actually, what I feel that the basic factor which helped him to crack this interview, especially in regard to the question that is related to university, was the deep research that he had done about the faculty members. He specifically mentioned the faculty members who have done PhDs in their respective fields. So he mentioned about those faculty that I'm keen to learn from those faculty members. Secondly, he also mentioned about the capstone project, that this university will provide me a hands-on learning experience through the capstone project.
Okay, so you mean to say that if students are going to some university, he should have the proper knowledge about the faculty member, the research program, what is the educational qualification of the professors who are going to take his classes. So if student is going for any university, I would suggest you should have a proper research on the university. हो सकता है कि आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो कंसल्टेंट के थ्रू I-20s ले रहे हैं, पर स्टिल आई विल से डू रिसर्च एट योर ओन लेवल सो दैट यू विल कम टू नो अबाउट द यूनिवर्सिटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, देयर फैकल्टी, देयर सर्विसेज फॉर द इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट, सो दैट वीज़ा ऑफिसर केम टू नो अबाउट दैट वट एवर यू आर सेइंग, इन दिस वे you have done a genuine research for the university and you have a genuine intentions to have your future studies or your upgraded study from this university. What else visa officer asked him?
Okay, so once the visa officer was satisfied about his intentions, the reason of studying in USA, that particular course or that university, then he came to know, he was willing to ask about any of the acquaintances he had in USA.
You want to say the last question was, is there any relative of the student in USA?
Yes,
so
exactly.
what he has answered?
So his answer was the no, that he doesn't have any friends or relatives either studying at St. Martin University or in USA.
Okay. सो आज की वीडियो में हमने बात की अमनदीप के रिलेटेड, कैसे अमनदीप ने थोड़े से क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देके के अपना वीज़ा लिया। ऐसे ही हम अपनी अपकमिंग वीडियोस में और एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे जिन बच्चों ने हमसे वीज़ा लिया है। उसके लिए डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन. As you know, visa slots are going to open very soon, so pull up your socks and get ready for your interview. For that, best of luck from our side, and for more updates kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.